Hadin jangka jingyo alai lut jangka ri India nakakti jangki pareng hau tu usdam syajar kedai sepak sau penyo. Laong baka Meghalaya jengi kadang day hapo ke jela Assam. Walaong ru baka Meghalaya jengi kadang tengomba arteli ki distrik. Bat kini ki distrik ki deki distrik ki bahap hapo ke jela Assam hau tu usdam. Balaong ru ba tak ada usdam syajar kedai sepak nyopu ar ke jela Meghalaya jengi kalayu ya ke jela ke Bapura. Bat kam hap su hapo ke jela Assam. Balaong ru bah auto usnam ka jela Meghalaya jengi kadang tengomba arteli ki distrik kita kentob ya ka United Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills bat ka way pat ka Garo Hills bat auto usnam syajar kendai sepak nyopu ar Chief Minister Baningkong ka Meghalaya jengi ulayo bat ya kate ka syuki bat utau dai William Ampang Sangma bat kane ka video ka ba ka Meghalaya jengi kala lekmen lane kala celebrate ya ka jingyo jangka jela ka Bapura hau tu usnam syajar kendai sepak nyopu ar bat pila ban iru baka Prime Minister jangka ri India hau tu usnam ka dei ka Indira Gandhi balaong ru baka te ka Indira Gandhi kala ai jingkren haka te ka jingya lekmen ka balalang hapo ka garrison ground ka badan hapo ka Sorba Shillong.
Ministers are sworn in by Governor Nehru.
Would you further repeat after me, please? I,
Stanley Didi Nichols Roy,
do solemnly affirm that
I will not directly or indirectly communicate.
Captain Williamson Sangma, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, gives the inaugural address.
I would also like to thank the members of Parliament and the political leaders at the centre and in Assam who made it possible for the Reorganization Act to be passed in record time. I am convinced that given goodwill and a spirit of cooperation on all sides, we can set an example for the rest of the country. Madam, once again, I thank you and the distinguished guests in our midst. On behalf of the people of Meghalaya, Joy.
This is a new constitutional experiment and we sincerely desire its success.
Kani kalau kajing persang kapanin pang nagalian jongga sang sensar.
I am glad to hear you say that this goodwill and spirit of cooperation will continue on all sides and set an example of cooperative endeavor for the rest of the country.
Ngasno ha sibon baca snow pyong bagani kamen sim kababha kamen sim kabia trailang kanya trailang kanya traikam hagabate hagabarai benroi nakilian barasol.
These efforts could bear fruit because of the spirit in which you, your colleagues and your people
te takane video mata ka janmit ni sai syam ya par hakawe ka video ka bansawan.